Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for NFTs on the NFT Go app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the NFT Go app, and then to search for specific NFTs you just have to tap on the search icon, and at the top of the screen in the search bar you just have to type in the NFTs that you are looking for. Let's say mutant, and tap on search, and you will find all the different NFT results. Let's say the mutant ape club. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you can search for NFTs on this app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.